Hello. My grandfather used to write letters to my grandmother in the 80s and the 90s. Those letters now sure have deteriorated and are even unreadable. I took photos of it and I uploaded to an AI tool online and helped to restore me back. The joy that was there on my grandmother's face is unforgettable. Good morning. This is the dawn of artificial intelligence, where by just writing few English words, we are able to create some magnificent poetry and artistic images. As H.R. Clarke would put it, any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Well, this is the era that we are living in. The human intelligence is something that we fear of right now because AI can overpower it. Well, AI is already taking our jobs, and not just any jobs, the white-collar jobs, the jobs of very importance. One question that is lurking behind each and every one of us, that is ringing in our ears, is that will AI surpass our human intellect or not? Well, let's first understand what do we mean by intelligence. Intelligence is a combination of 6 fundamental human cognitive abilities that includes first, perception, the ability to gather information from our surroundings. And AI systems can do it far more better than us because of its advanced and enhanced sensors. The second is to learn, the ability to process the data that we have just gathered. And AI systems today are trained on much more advanced machine learning and deep learning models, and it can surpass our human brains. The third thing is of memory, the ability to store the data that we have just processed. And AI systems today can store up to tons of terabytes of data that we cannot even comprehend of. The fourth aspect is to reason, the ability to solve a particular problem. And AI systems today are getting better day after day. ChatGPT just launched its own model in which it is able to reason for itself. It is able to think and then give answer. The fifth aspect is of creativity, the ability to give new ideas from pre-existing ideas. It's better if we look at it in the analogy of dots. Each dots represent a particular idea or a particular thought, and that combination of some mixing and maxing of those thoughts, we can create some novel ideas. Well, AI systems can hold up to a ton of variety of dots, and it can also make connections that we cannot even think of. AI will definitely and surely will outcompete us in all the creative endeavors in the future. The sixth aspect is of the EQ, that is the emotional quotient. AI has already dominated the objective part of it. That is, when I'm speaking in this tone, it is able to detect that I'm speaking in aggression. Aggression is my predominant emotion. The main thing is of the subjective side, when it is able to feel emotions. Right now, science is in its best form and it is understanding human awareness and consciousness. It is getting better day after day after day. And when it has fully understood and grasped the concept of awareness, we will surely and definitely emulate that thing in AI. And we will see the rise of self-aware AI systems, when the AI systems would be able to think for themselves, be able to feel all those emotions. In the next few decades, we would have created superhumans. Humans who would have devoid of any of the weaknesses and would have all the enhanced strengths of humans. That would be day of singularity. That would be the most critical day in our human evolution, when the creation itself would supersede the abilities of the creator, when we would have created AI systems that would enhance and even overpower the human intellect. That is the day that we are looking for, and that day will surely and definitely happen.